Welcome back to your learning journey. So, in this video, we'll take a look into the everyday examples of Agentic AI. Now, all these examples are here to give you a perspective about the power of Agentic AI system. So, the first example that I want to share over here is Customer Support Copilot. So, this is one of the most relatable examples of Agentic AI. Now, the reason that this is relatable because here, imagine an AI which not only answer the questions from the knowledge base but can also check policy, can also trigger refund, and even it has got the capability to escalate the cases when necessary. It just doesn't stop there, guys. It can also log a case summary to your CRM automatically, which will actually save hours of manual work. And that's an example of the agentic AI system in the customer support space. And the another example that I can share over here is meeting companion. Think of this meeting companion. This agent, it can transcribe your meetings and even summarize the discussion, extract the action items, as well as assign the owners, and even schedule the follow-up meetings automatically directly on your calendar. And that's the power of this agentic AI system if we consider it for meeting companion. In the case of the personal finance, agentic AI can actually categorize your transaction, it can flag anomalies, it can generate budget suggestion and even send you alerts when you are spending over the threshold. It lacks like a smart financial advisor who's always there for you, who's always monitoring and guiding you. For researchers as well as people who are working on the knowledge domain, so an AI copilot can actually help them in searching multiple sources, synthesize the findings with citation, and even produce the structured outlines or brief, which transforms hours of searching and note taking into actionable insights within the matter of few minutes. Coming to the IT operation, an agentic AI can actually detect the incident signals. It can run the diagnostics as well as the proposed fixes as well for those detected issues, and even it can execute the parts of a run book in a safe manner, which we can also include the approval as well. So by doing this will help us in reducing the downtime, and more importantly it will ensure that the incidents are handled in a quick and a consistent manner. For sales teams, an AI agent can actually summarize the account activity. It can draft the personalized outreach messages, and it can even update the opportunities in the CRM automatically. Now, coming to HR, that is human resources. So, we can consider an example as an onboarding assistant. An onboarding assistant agent can actually collect the documents, it can answer the policy questions, it can create the access ticket as well as the welcome checklist. It can also schedule the introductory meetings as well. It's like having a dedicated HR assistant which is available for every new employee who is going to join the company. Now, if I give you an example in the healthcare sector, in healthcare, an intake triage agent can actually go ahead and guide the patients through symptom questionnaires, match the responses to clinic protocols, and route the case to a clinician with structured summary. So over here, you can clearly see that it's not going to replace the doctors, but it makes their job faster and more accurate. For students, an AI study buddy can actually explain the complex questions, and it can explain this complex concept in a simple step-by-step manner. It can generate the flashcard using spaced repetition and even create short quizzes with hints. So this makes learning interactive and personalized. Lastly, consider a travel planner agent. It can actually build the itineraries based on the preference as well as the constraint. It can book flights and hotel via partner APIs with your approval. It can even send reminders for the documents and apply directly into your inbox as well. And what it does is this will actually turn the stressful process of planning into a very smooth experience. So, overall, if you look at all these examples, all the examples that we have talked about, especially about this agentic AI, there's one common thread across these examples. The common thread is sense, reason, and the action loop. So these agents, with all these examples, they don't just chat. They use the tools, they access the data, they remember the context, and even act automatically such that they can complete the workflow. And they also know when to escalate to humans for oversight, and this will ensure the trust and safety. So, overall, I can say that when we talk about the agentic AI system, and the key idea about this agentic AI is it is going to turn the answers into actions. So it basically bridges the gap between the intelligence as well as the execution, which will transform the workflows across various industries. And by the end of this course, you'll be confident in creating your own agentic system. All right, guys. So this was just one video on this module one of full NVIDIA certified professional agentic AI certificate preparation course. Now, in case if you'd like to access and continue access all the hands-on labs, videos, projects, including the examination preparation module, you can enroll on our website. The link is in the description below. If you are able to complete this video till the end, I would think that there's something that resonates between us, and I'm excited to help you in your certification preparation journey, and I'll see you on our portal. But more importantly, I wish you all the very best, no matter where you are in your agentic AI preparation journey. So stay with us, subscribe to our channel for more free content.